So today we are going to be making something Italian. Enough of this mockery. Today I am going to be pairing up Makhni sauce with penne pasta. Yes, you heard it right. I am going to be pairing up Makhni sauce with penne pasta. We need boiling water. We add in olive oil, just a tad bit, and a bit of salt. So always remember to season your water with oil and salt so that the pasta does not stick to each other. So once this comes up to a boil, we'll add in the pasta. Meanwhile, what we'll do is we'll make the makhni sauce. Add in some butter. So once the butter melts, we'll add in onions. Don't worry about cooking anything together right now. What we have to do is we have to put everything in this pot together, bring it to a boil, and then our makhni sauce will be ready. So just keep adding ingredients to this pot. You don't have to cook it separately. We'll add in some chopped ginger. We'll add in some garlic cloves, some fennel seeds, some cumin seeds, some cashews, tomatoes, some Garam Masala powder, some Coriander powder, Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder. So this is the most important ingredient in the makhni sauce because this is what's going to give the color to the makhni sauce. So add enough of Kashmiri Red Chilli Powder so that the makhni sauce has a beautiful color. Now what we'll do is we'll add in a bit of salt. Now we'll add in water. Just enough to cover all the veggies. Now what we'll do is we'll stir this up. So what we'll do now is cover it and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. So while the makhni is getting cooked, our pasta water has come up to a boil. Now what we'll do is we'll add in the pasta to it. So our makhni is ready, our pasta is boiling. Let's just check on the makhni. So as you can see, the tomatoes and the onions are perfectly cooked. We'll switch off the gas. So let's cool it down for a bit. Meanwhile, our pasta is boiling nicely. As you can see, it's almost done. And just remove the pasta. This is perfectly cooked. It's just al dente. Basically, al dente means to the bite. So when you bite into the pasta, it should hold the bite. It should be firm. It shouldn't be mushy. So this is just perfect. So our pasta is ready. Now we'll blend it. Makhni sauce is ready. We don't have to strain it, it's just come out perfectly smooth. I don't need to strain it. But if you don't like the bites or pieces of spices in the sauce, you can always strain it and make it more smoother. I don't mind it honestly, so I'll just keep it the same way. Now what we'll do is we'll start making the pasta. Put it on high heat. So our pan is nicely heated up. What we'll do is we'll add in some butter. Once the butter melts, what we'll do is we'll lightly saute corn and capsicum. You can go crazy with the vegetables as per your choice. You can add in anything that you like. You can add in whatever's left over in your fridge. Now what we'll do is we'll add in a bit of capsicum and corn. Don't put in raw corn. This is boiled corn that we are using. So what we'll do is to this we'll add our makhni sauce. This looks perfect. And give this a quick stir. So this is ready. Now what we'll do is we'll add in some pasta, some Kasuri Methi powder, some fresh cream, and now we'll add in the most favorite ingredient, the cheese. Add lots of it. So we'll add in tad bit of salt. Don't add too much salt because there's already salt in cheese. And now we'll just mix it up lightly. So our pasta is ready. All we have to do is plate it up. I'm gonna be garnishing it with coriander and some chopped red chilies. And our perfect penne and makhni sauce is ready to be gorged on. This is super delicious and creamy. Don't forget to try this out and do let me know in comments below how you like the recipe.